Like terms? Let's find out. Okay, let's start by taking a closer look at the square root of 8 here. Can you find a perfect square hidden in there? What is a perfect square? That's numbers like 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, and so on, right? So do one of those divide evenly into 8? 4, right? So let's combine that with the product rule here. So we want to break down square root of 8 and make that equal to something. And then we're going to try this perfect square 4 here. So that's going to be equal to square root of 4 times square root of something else. But that something else is just what times 4 equals 8. And since your times tables are strong, I know you know that equals 2, right? 8 equals 4 times 2. So what can we do with this? How does that help us here? Well, if something is equal to something else, we can just replace it with what it's equal to, right? So let's do that with this part here, square root of 8. Let's just bring down that 3. It's not really part of this product rule thing, right? And then let's just replace square root of 8 with what it's equal to. It's equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2. Can you find any other thing we can simplify here? We can use that, right? Let's just bring down our 3 again. But what's the square root of 4? It's just 2, because 2 times 2 equals 4. And then let's bring down our square root of 2. So side note, we can't simplify square root of 2 because it's not a perfect square. No whole number times itself equals 2. Well, we have 3 times 2, right? That's pretty easy. So now your times tables are strong because you got 4 times 2 down there. So we can just simplify that to 6. And this whole first expression here becomes 6 square root of 2. Okay, so we have this whole addition problem, right? And we broke this first part down a little bit. So now let's just bring down this 2 is square root of 2. And we have 6 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Wait a minute. Check it out. Now we have like terms, don't we? You see it? What make it the like terms? We have something times square root of 2 plus something times square root of 2, right? 6 square root of 2's plus 2 more is 8 square root of 2. Can you believe all of this? Simplified to just 8 square root of 2. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I think it's pretty cool. If you're ready to move on to the next skill, however, check out the next video popping up now, and I'll see you there.